Little break from everyday reality and just enjoy a little bit of art, enjoy a little bit of beauty here for a moment. Until recently, these would not have been possible. They were trying for a number of years to perfect a way to bring lab-grown pink diamonds to the table. These are not pink CZs, or as my friend, the great late Suzanne Summers, used to sell her pink ice. I still have some from Suzanne. These are actual diamonds, but they're not diamonds from the earth. Remember, the Argyle mine, the most prolific mine in the world for pinks, closed recently. And the big ones, I just read today in one of the trade journals that some of the big ones are coming up for auction soon, and they are going to be outrageously expensive. There was so little material from Argyle that made it to market because not much of it was produced by Mother Nature. And so when you look at the diamond tenders, and these are the places that people in the industry go to buy loose diamonds, they were invitation only, they're commanding some of the highest prices on record for pieces on the secondary market, loose gemstones. So we have ours set and ready to wear. You are going to feel like a princess, and I'm not joking. You're getting such high quality, beautiful diamond jewelry here tonight, and they are not coated. They are not altered by any stretch of the imagination. This is a technology that we're super, super proud to bring you. It is item number J437659. You want to live like a rock star? Here's how you do it. They're $27.99.98, so they are money, but they are worth it. And they're on 5 easy pays of $560. Now, they're limited. So let me tell you where you stand and how fast you got to find your fingers in the phone. If you want the emerald cut, there's only 4 pair. Man, if there's any of those left, I'm going to be shocked by the end of this presentation. Even though I know that they're a bit of money, at $560 on an easy pay, you should really go for it. The pair, who doesn't want the pair? Five? I still might have a shot at that. I don't know. I love the drama with the pear shape. And look at the nice even color through that gemstone. Isn't that beautiful? That's a sign of a well-cut diamond in a color, right? The color usually will collect at the bottom of a pear shape, not here. It's just perfection. And then over here on this other side, and there's only 10 of these available, we have got the ovals, elongating to the jawline. This one will be the one that'll look bigger physically than the others will. So if you want, again, the biggest bang for your buck, that's the one to order. And then these are white diamonds that you see that are pave set around or down the top of that hoop. I want to put a ruler on these so you get an idea. They're all basically the same size. The fact that they are not charging more for an emerald cut or a teardrop cut or an oval cut than what you would expect to see on just white diamond is nutty to me. About 13/16 of an inch from the top to the bottom. It is an ear hugger style, turning it to the side, a never-ending circle. You put these on and they will stay put, which is very important when you're talking about a diamond earring, right? You don't want to lose a diamond earring under any circumstances. I'm going to put on one of the teardrop shapes so you can see how they move. I love how they move. They're articulated. So the articulation happens at the bottom, as you can see, the bottom of that little hoop. So just the slightest movement and they dance. I'm telling you, if I was going to be the mother of the bride, I would buy these for me. I think that color is so soft and pretty, but it's more intense than even the natural pinks that we have in our inventory. And we've got probably the best selection of any shopping channel. I love lab grown because I can get a bigger product. So I started to mention the technology has changed. The technology is such that we can now get these larger pink stones, but it hasn't always been that way. This is an incredible opportunity for those that want the newest, the latest, the greatest, and 2.5 carats in the pink. Just the pink is a 2.5 carat presentation. And then, of course, you've got those white diamonds. Look at how they shimmer in the light. That's a great neutral to wear. Wear it with your morganite. Now, it's going to coordinate with morganite, but it won't look exact. Why? Because with a diamond, you're going to get all the rainbow colors in addition to the pink body color. With a morganite, you get a pleochroic nature to that gem, meaning that you're going to see pink and peach, but you're not going to see the yellow and the orange and all of the fire, rainbow fire that you do in a diamond. But there's no reason that you couldn't wear them together, you lucky girl. The oval is graceful, right? The emerald has this clean line. And then the teardrop shape, well, that is just exciting and dramatic, I think. And each one of them tells their own story. You know, when you talk about pink diamonds, there have been a lot of famous women that are known for them. Amal Clooney is probably most recognized for her big 7-carat emerald shape. The reason that women and stars in particular, like Angelina Jolie is another one who loves emerald cuts, the reason that they love them is because they show the quality of the diamond. They show the transparency. It's like a big picture window on your house. If it had anything on it or in it, it would show. So these have, again, that clarity that we want and that we love and that we admire. But again, the pink comes singing through it only the way that it can. They're sophisticated and they're 20% less than they were when we brought them in, which is just unreal. We are going to be seeing a cushion-shaped necklace, which you could, I'm sure, wear with your emerald. They have the same overall kind of square-ish shape. We're also going to be seeing a round necklace as well, which could go with any of these two. Less important to match the shape and more important to match the material, in my opinion, but just having these to wear with your other white diamonds is a glorious day. I'm telling you, really different, very unusual. And again, near colorless, very slightly included diamonds, even in the pinks. So what makes a pink diamond pink, we suspect, are two things. One of them is something being amiss in the crystalline structure in the development of the diamond. It happens very rarely, let alone in twos so that you can make earrings, right? The crystals. The other thing that we suspect, and scientists can't really put their finger on it, this is a happenstance kind of experiment, is manganese, that Midas touch element that turns morganite pink, for example. They think it's a minute bit of that, much like boron will turn diamonds blue or nitrogen will turn diamonds yellow. It is the manganese, they believe, that's turning it pink. But these are a first of. This is something really exciting. I would have them appraised. I should have mentioned this earlier. You can have your diamonds, your lab-grown diamonds, appraised. They can be insured. You can get diamond dossiers from the Gemological Institute of America. These are all really important things for you to know when you're purchasing these quality diamonds. I don't take it lightly that you're spending, you know, a good amount of cash with me at $2,799.98. But what you're getting is so much more. And if you're a jewelry fanatic like I am, like when I'm on vacation, we always take a day to do jewelry shopping. I love going in, like when we're in the Caribbean, I love going into the stores and comparison shopping and seeing really what an outstanding job our buying team does here in the world of diamonds. And you're responding super positively to our growth in Firelight. In fact, the Firelight lab-grown team as a whole is really working hard, and they are the fastest growing category in jewelry. So our Firelight collection is the fastest growing of all of the jewelry that you shop for here at QVC. And with that, I want to thank you because it means that you trust what we have to say. Again, if you ever have any questions, you can always drop me a note at hello@youaresolidgold.com. You know, we get together casually and just chat about jewelry too. We have a live stream. Mom and I do it together actually on Wednesdays at 10:30 in the morning on YouTube. And then I'm doing every Monday here on the website at QVC.com at 12:15. We do another live stream so that you can come in with your questions. You can put in your requests and we just kind of chit-chat and have lunch together at 12:15. I've got a really special live stream. I just found out that we are adding tomorrow afternoon at noon, and I have a special announcement for you. Ladies, if you love a bargain, don't miss it, okay? It's going to be, you're the first ones to hear about it. I just found out about it in the green room right before I came out here. It's going to be at noontime tomorrow at QVC.com, and I've got a big deal for you that you're going to want to hear about. So that's all happening tomorrow. Well, it is my pleasure shopping with you, and we do have lots of goodies in store always at QVC.com. We've got a lot of treasures, you know, a lot of hidden treasures that don't always see the light of day. Let me go ahead and change up this earring so that you can see maybe the emerald cut, just for something a little bit different. I had on the teardrop shape, which is pretty, but and they're all the same length, but you might be having a hard time deciding what cut is for you. Again, there's a graceful and an elegant line to an emerald cut that I think is undeniable. Some of the hosts here that favor the emerald cut would be like a Jen Coffey, for example. She can't get enough of it. And I know that Courtney Kendabi feels the same way about the emerald cuts. You will find that house of mirrors shine, that silvery kind of luster that is just so beautiful. And as a bride walking down the aisle, maybe wearing a blush gown or a nude style gown, this is going to look stunning with it. Maybe as the mother of the bride, you buy them for yourself and then you lend them to your daughter for the wedding day and then you get them back. I don't know. However you decide to celebrate, I applaud you for your good taste. I'm telling you, it has been my pleasure shopping with you today. I'm going to say goodbye for now, but I do hope you join me for the live stream tomorrow morning at 10:30. Or wait a minute, is it Tuesday today? Yeah, tomorrow morning at 10:30 and then at noon for that special announcement.